What's going on, Drew?
Having a great day on the mountain.
All right, let's see what you,
ripping it up with the Reuben.
let's see what you got. It?
That was awesome. That was that part where the two runs met.
Yeah.
I was a little shaky there. I was like, holy shit.
I was gonna, ooh.